ako. Di ba?
Yeah.
How can I learn?
And you're
Paano ako
in your
matututo?
teenage crisis pa.
Yeah,
And you're
exactly.
in a new country, so ang dami mong battle na kailangang
Nakakatakot talaga,
ipanalo at
guys.
labanan. Yeah.
Exactly. It's very, very, nakakatakot talaga siya. Kasi at that time, I know myself that if they put me in school, I would learn nothing. Kasi hindi ko nga maintindihan yung salita nila, di ba?
Oh,
So,
totoo.
nakakatakot yun. I think I would say, few weeks away before na ako ilagay doon. Kasi evaluation na siya eh. So,
Oo.
they know what grade I'm going in, which is grade 10.
Yeah.
But I think second semester na ako ng grade 10
Yeah.
nakapunta. Kasi my first semester eh. Tapos na ano ko na siya. Na-miss ko na. Kasi it's February na next.
Oh,
And I came
okay.
here
December.
December 27 of 2007. So, well, let's just say 2008 kasi 3 days na lang 2008 na eh.
Yeah.
So, mayroon akong 1 month to prepare for school.
Yeah.
And at that time, syempre, mag-isa single mom yung mom ko, si mami. And then, of course, I need to work. Kasi para matulungan ko siya.
Yeah. So dito guys, pag teenager ka, I think yung mention ng isang guest ko, she said that 15 years old, pwede ka na mag-work.
Yes, 100%.
Yeah.
I
So
think
17
it's
ka na.
14 or 15.
Okay.
Basta may consent ng parents mo.
Yeah.
So I think I was 17 years old.
So pwede ka na
kailangan
mag-work.
pwede na
Oh, may
mag-work.
pera na.
Yeah. But yeah, go back to the school. Nakakatakot talaga. Especially kung siguro may mga anak kang dadalhin nyo rito from Philippines, it's very, very scary. So make sure that you prepare them. Kasi never naman kami
Culture
na-prepare
shock din and language
ng
barrier,
mom ko,
no?
Because my mom works 2 jobs. So she was never home. And if you are working here in Canada, you understand what that means, right?
Yeah.
Kasi lagi kang nagtatrabaho, kailangan magtrabaho para ma-sustain yung
Yung
sustainability for your family, especially if you're a single parent.
Yeah.
So,
Especially kung sa Pilipinas, lumaki ka pa sa province, di ba?
exactly.
Wala kang private na school na pwedeng puntahan agad-agad to learn English.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So yeah, takot ako dati. I think I remember my very, very first job dun sa Senseo dito sa Marlboro.
Yeah. So yun
It's
na yung
very
first
close.
job
Yeah,
mo.
that's my
So
very
after
first job.
nung pagkaka-evaluate sa'yo, you have to wait a month, sabi mo, di ba?
Yeah.
So and then pumasok ka na doon. Paano yung interview mo? Ikwento mo naman yung first interview mo as a 17-year-old.
I don't remember that much yung interview ko, to be honest. Kasi nga, bago ako eh. So
Yeah.
everything, there's a lot of things going on in my head. And things like, una sa lahat, sinasabi ko sa sarili, gusto ko nang umuwi. So yung pala, nasa head ko na siya, like almost every day kung makakauwi ako
Because
sa
everything is
Pilipinas, uuwi ako.
scary, right?
Kasi nakakatakot eh, yeah. Especially, speaking yung barrier language na
Language barrier.
language barrier na meron ako dati.
Yeah.
It's hard.